Hi friends, welcome to this class. See here, let us discuss the theories to explain HSAB principle. We have three theories. One is electrostatic interaction, second one is polarizing power and polarizability. I have talked a little about it, right? And electronegativity. See here, I always used to tell hard acids and these hard bases are always small in size, right? Small in size. Why it is small? I will tell it in theories of explain this HSAB principle, right? See here, this why the size of hard acid and hard base should be small is explained by this electrostatic interaction theory. See here, we know that hard acid means like H plus, let me take, and soft base means F minus. Its size is also small, H plus, and its size is also small, minus. So both are having almost equal size, right? So H plus and I minus, they can come very close, very near, because plus charge attracts negative charge. So the closeness, they will come very closely, right? So see here, the distance between them will be decreased because of attraction. The distance will be decreased, so they can come very close. So we know that from Coulombic F is equal to 1 by 4 pi F0 naught Q plus, let the charge be Q plus Q minus upon R square. Since R is small, see here, force of attraction is more. Since force of attraction is more, the energy release will be more. So it can, these compounds, when these plus ions and negative ions come very close, the energy will be released. The energy release means exothermic. Delta H will be negative. The delta H is negative means this complex, when this HF complex, they come very close, right? So this complex will be very stable. So this occurs only when size is small. If size is big, let us take, this is the size and plus size, and this is negative size, then the R will be not that small as this case, small size. So since R is not that small, so F will not be that high, because attraction will not be there here this much. So energy will be less, so complex will be less stable. So to have a stable complex, size should be small, right? This can be explained by electrostatic interaction. And about, so see here, so the bonding between this hard acid and hard bases will be always ionic, because of which it will be ionic. Otherwise we get Na plus Cl minus, right? Ionic bond will be formed, right? Whereas polarizing power and polarizability, this leads to covalent bond. Covalent bond. These things we have studied in that covalent chapter, right? Ionic bonding, covalent bonding. There, Fuzzen's rule will explain this covalency. Because of that, one is positive charge is small, negative charge more, then the little covalency will be there. Because its electron density is not in control of this nucleus, so it will be spread, right? It will be spread, so it will be covalence. So covalent bond can be explained for this soft acids, soft base interaction. Those will be having covalent bond because of large size. So these nucleus won't have control over this electron density, so some polarization occurs. The distortion in the electron density is nothing but polarization. So covalent bond will be there in presence of soft acid and soft base, whereas for hard acid and hard base, the bond will be ionic, and for this it will be covalent, right? And about this electronegativity, I always told, see here, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine are hard bases. Why these are hard bases? Because of small size and also more electronegativity. Its electronegativity is 3, it's 3.5, and it's a 4. And also I told, see here, sodium, Na is more electropositive, so they always give this Na plus 1 electron, right? This Na plus will be more electronegative, whereas Na is more electropositive, but after losing 1 electron it becomes Na plus, it will be more electronegative. So sodium, whenever react with these hard bases, sodium is a hard acid, right? So they form a complex which are stable, because both these are also more electronegative, right? More electronegative, and these hard acids like Na plus K plus are also more electronegative, so their complex will be very stable. This is about the theories to explain this HSAB principle. In next class, let us discuss about limitations and one more topic. Then we will end this HSAB concept.